Hello everyone, it's Mr. from Rockstar Ballet. I just want to make a quick, very informal video. I have my Star Trek shirt on. Uh, just to say, I just really started getting going on the YouTube channel, and I'm looking at hitting 5,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it that that's happened like that. Thank you so much. We're just getting started. Also, I'm working on transferring basically all of my focus into YouTube. And on my website, which will be live soon, rockstarballet.com, and go from there. I'm getting off Insta and TikTok, and I'm going to focus on these platforms. So I'm very excited. Thank you so much. Also, I'm going to take this second to brag about my mom's artwork. That is a painting that she made, and I am in there twice. Can you guess who I am? Little hint, I do have hair back then. So thank you so much. We're just getting started. Let's rock this out. And always remember, you are a rock star.